Today we have this HP Envy Inspire 7958e printer, and we're going to do a reset. There's a few that you can do, and I'll show you the basic ones that you can do from this screen, and then we'll move on to a hard reset or semi-full reset that this printer has in the hidden menu. I'll show you how to get there quickly. And also, if your printer is stuck on a message saying that you need to put in the original cartridges that came with the printer, and if you see that message, I'll show you how to get rid of it and move on to printing with the cartridges that you have. First of all, let's start with the basic reset. Is going to give us three options. We're going to scroll down from the main screen. Our printer is on. We're going to scroll the tab down like this here, and then on the far left top corner we're going to see the settings icon. We're going to go ahead and press that. We're going to scroll about halfway down to maintenance, printer maintenance, and press it, and let's go down to a restore. That's where the three options to reset are. So restore settings, that's just going to clear basic settings. Then restore factory defaults, it'll clear everything including your Wi-Fi settings and things like that. And then cold reset is more of the one that will reset it to where you'll need to put in your region, the language, and things like that. So it's very close to semi-full reset. But semi-full reset is not available on this screen. It's in a different one, and it's kind of a hidden menu. And that's something that you would need to know, or whenever in the future, if you have some message that you cannot clear, you've done everything possible you can, you're trying to clear or reset the hardware of the printer, this is how you do it. So you go to the main screen again. Just to let you know the button that we need, if you press any, like copy for example, you'll see this return button light up. That's the one we need. But when we're going to be doing that, the return button is not going to be lit up like this here. So just remember where it's at. If you look at it sideways, if you look at the screen sideways, you can kind of see the outline of that button, and you're going to press that 4 times in a row. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts us into that hidden menu or the support menu. That is not known to many people, but now you know. Please subscribe if this video helped. But let's move on, and I'll show you how to do the semi-full reset. Once again, you're going to tap 1, 2, 3, 4 times. If you by accident tap a little bit more, it'll just light up. And since you're continuing to press the button, it'll just go back and cancel that menu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're there. Select support menu. You're going to scroll down to resets menu. Press OK. You can just reset the country and the language. Partial reset. And semi-full reset. You're going to press OK, and that'll reset all of your settings. So what the printer will do, it will go ahead and be on for a few seconds, do its reset. It'll then turn off, and it should turn back on by itself. If it does not, then go ahead and press the power button and turn it back on. So wait about 30 seconds. Sometimes it's also a good idea to unplug the printer from the back when it turns off, and then go ahead and turn it back on. Let me show you what it's going to do. It's basically going to do everything that you did when you got this printer new, if that's that's how you got it. So it's going to ask for your language preference and then the region where you're at. But make sure you select the proper region. Because if you select wrong one, you will need different cartridges, and usually those are going to be hard to find. So definitely, if you're, for example, in the United States, you want to select United States, because if you buy cartridges for this model that are in Europe, it's going to be a different cartridge number and it's not going to be compatible. So just kind of like a little bit of information for you. Okay, so this is what we come to. We're going to select our language preference and confirm. We're going to select the country or the region. We're going to go on to setup. Just press the question mark right here and select connect later. Press OK. So now we're back to this menu. It says that we turned it off not the correct way because it basically reset it. So just go ahead and press OK. And we're ready to set it up and use it. And hopefully your error that was on your screen went away. Now, if you're just trying to clear a certain message, for example, the use original HP cartridges that came with your printer, you really can't get your hands on it unless you got a brand new printer in the box, and it has to be this one. So yeah, at this point you do not have those cartridges. What you're going to do is also from this menu, you're going to go ahead and tap the back button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to support menu, and then go to system configuration menu, and go to trade at OOBE, press OK, and you're going to press OK to disable it. And then just after you've done it, just press X out, and go back, and you should be all set right there. Please let me know if this worked, if any of the reset really helped you resolve your problem, or if you have a different problem on your printer, let me know. I'll try to help out as much as I know. I don't know everything, but I do know printers. And also, maybe another watcher of this video would be able to help us all out with a certain problem that they have some knowledge about. So this is going to apply to other HP Envy Inspire printers such as 7955, I believe, and 7955e printers. Also, let me know what your printer is, and if a different model was actually something that you did this on and it worked. We definitely want to know. And I thank everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, and have yourself a great day.